What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn off keyboard sound on your POCO M6 Plus. So first of all, open a app in which you can use keyboard. Now after opening the keyboard, tap on this settings icon. Now here tap on preference and then scroll down, and in key press section you will see a sound on key press button. So to turn off the keyboard sound, tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button the keyboard sound will be turned off. So that's how you can turn off keyboard sound on your POCO M6 Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.